You're cleaning wrong and you don't even know it. Pretty sure bacteria is left behind. The grime won't come off and you're just wasting time. You spend hours scrubbing with that same old rag, only spreading dirt around and thinking your house is spotless when you're actually living with an invisible ecosystem under your feet. Today, you'll discover tools so ridiculously clever they'll leave every corner looking brand new in seconds without breaking your back. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video, and remember, all links are right in the description. Get ready to completely change your routine. That disgusting habit of wiping your floors by dipping an old rag over and over into the same bucket full of pitch black, smelly water just spreads germs all over your house. This clever dual-tank mop system is the ultimate solution because it completely separates dirty water from clean water, so you refresh your surfaces with 100% pristine liquid from start to finish, without needing pricey chemicals that damage your lungs. Its heavy-duty microfiber clusters eliminate 99% of bacteria using nothing but tap water, while its built-in foot pedal lets you control the exact dampness. It is completely safe for delicate hardwood, laminates, or tile, and you can toss its head straight into the washing machine to save a fortune over disposable spray pads. You will forget forever about living in a sea of invisible grime. Grab this floor purifying system for around $59.96. Forget about spending a fortune on toxic chemicals that burn your eyes and destroy your hands just to get rid of kitchen grease. This portable steam beast is the ultimate solution because it blasts heat at over 200 degrees in just 15 seconds, melting stuck-on grime like hot butter. It comes loaded with 16 accessories to crawl inside tile grout, detail your car, or revive your couches, letting you control its power across 6 touch levels depending on the surface. Its giant tank allows you to clean the entire house without annoying interruptions while wiping out bacteria in a 100% natural way. You will never again spend hours on your knees scrubbing that cursed black crust off the oven that you had already given up on. Grab this heavy-duty home purifier for around $59.99. Dragging a wet, dirty rag across your floors just moves the grime around and leaves your hands smelling like a swamp. This clever bucket system features isolated chambers that wash and squeeze the mop dry without you ever touching a single drop of nasty water. Its ultra-flat head pulls off a full 360 spin to glide under your heaviest sofa, while built-in scraper teeth strip away every single hair and dust bunny in a single tug. Say goodbye to crawling on your knees just to get the baseboard spotless, especially since the whole rig packs away into a tiny corner. You can secure this ultimate shortcut to a clean house for $30.38. Kneeling on a damp floor and ending up with an aching back from scrubbing stubborn bathroom grime ruins anyone's day. The solution is a cordless electric power scrubber with an extendable handle reaching up to 54 inches that takes over the hard physical labor while you stand completely upright. The device packs 8 interchangeable heads spinning at high speeds to obliterate tile scum, polish car rims, or clean delicate furniture surfaces without you breaking a sweat. Its fast-charging battery displays the power level on a screen so you never get cut short, and the fully sealed body safely rinses off right under the faucet. You can banish exhausting manual scrubbing from your chores for $37.98. Leaving a traditional toilet brush dripping nasty brown water inside its plastic holder is basically building a 5-star luxury hotel for millions of gross bacteria. The solution is a disposable cleaning system where you never have to touch or store the filth ever again. This tool works with an ergonomic wand that clips onto specialized pads preloaded with concentrated cleaner. You just snap one on, scrub the bowl spotless, and click a button to drop it straight into the trash without your fingers ever getting near the grime. The kit comes packed with 14 fresh refills and a sleek dock that keeps the whole setup completely hidden, hygienic, and odor-free. You can secure this ultimate germ-free bathroom upgrade for $9.99. Shoving your bare hands into freezing water full of grease and harsh chemicals to wash dishes is the fastest way to end up with cracked skin and ruined nails. The solution is a pair of extra-thick natural latex gloves that act as an impenetrable shield for your hands during heavy-duty chores. The inside is lined with an ultra-soft flocked cotton that absorbs sweat so you never have to deal with that sticky, swampy feeling, while the outside features textured palms that keep slippery ceramic plates locked firmly in your grip. Plus, their extended cuffs keep dirty dishwater from splashing up your forearms. You can protect your hands and keep them perfectly smooth for just $6.99. Being trapped in an endless loop of buying expensive sticky tape rollers that only last for 2 swipes before losing their stickiness is a total waste of money. This clever electrostatic silicone roller is the ultimate solution because it magically traps every single pet hair deeply embedded in your fabrics with just a quick back and forth motion. Forget about buying pricey refills or washing a wet brush under the sink. You just pinch its protective pads and all the mess automatically hides inside its built-in bin so you can dump it into the trash with a single click. Its ergonomic handle allows you to clear carpets, massive couches, and pet beds without ending up with your hand cramped from the effort. You will never again suffer the embarrassment of your guests leaving your house with their clothes completely coated in fur. Grab this reusable lifesaver for just $16.09. Stretching your arms to the limit while balancing on a shaky chair to clean high windows is a perfect recipe for a total disaster. The solution is a giant 126-inch extension pole that fuses a microfiber scrubbing pad and a professional rubber blade into a single smart head. Its swivel system bends at the press of a button, conforming to the strangest angles of your windows, mirrors, or RV roofs without leaving a single streak or squeak behind. It is the fastest way to wash exterior glass safely while keeping both feet planted firmly on the floor. You can claim this professional-grade reach tool for $16.99. Trying to shove a brush or a rag into your car's air vents just pushes the grime deeper and leaves you completely frustrated. The solution is a high-tech elastic slime that molds itself perfectly into any gap, swallowing dust, crumbs, and pet hair in a split second. You just press it down into those impossible crevices or between your computer keys, and as you slowly pull it back, it lifts away every single piece of trapped dirt without leaving a sticky mess on your hands. On top of that, it smells like fresh blossoms, and you can reuse it repeatedly until it turns dark. You can make your dashboard look brand new again for $9.98. Balancing on a rickety stepladder just to wipe grease off a ceiling fan is a direct invitation to a nasty household accident. The solution is an all-inclusive cleaning kit featuring a 75-inch extension pole that lets you clear everything from high-altitude blades to the tiny millimeter gap under your refrigerator without bending your back. This system comes armed with an interchangeable tactical arsenal, a wide chenille head that wraps around fan blades, an ultra-soft microfiber pad to wipe down walls and hardwood floors without scratching the finish, a skinny, flexible duster for tight crevices, and a rubber squeegee for crystal-clear windows. It is the ultimate reach tool to conquer impossible high spots safely. You can lock down this high-reach cleaning system for $23.99. Spending hours scrubbing shower tiles with a manual brush just leaves you with an aching arm and the exact same layers of grime. The solution is a motorized handheld power tool that pairs a legendary cleaning paste with a high-speed electric scrubber that does all the heavy vibrating for you. This deep cleaning starter kit comes armed with 4 interchangeable brush heads tailored for every structural battle. A medium head to blast grout lines, a large one to clear baked-on oven grease, a cone head for tight corners, and a soft brush for delicate glass surfaces. It is the ultimate shortcut to erasing stubborn stains in seconds without breaking a sweat. You can command this electric scrubbing kit for $21.99. Sleeping in a bed that looks clean but is actually crawling with thousands of invisible dust mites feasting on your dead skin flakes is a total nightmare. The solution is a 500-watt monster vacuum engineered exclusively to dig up the darkest secrets hiding inside your mattress. This machine smacks the fabric 30,000 times a minute to shake loose trapped debris, while a heavy-duty ultraviolet light and 140-degree heat blast sterilize the area, melting away moisture and funky smells. That whole microscopic ecosystem gets violently sucked into an advanced filter, leaving your sheets perfectly fresh so you can actually breathe easy at night. You can transform your bed into a pure sanctuary for $66.46. Fighting against the black slime building up inside your sink rims with a regular sponge just ruins your nails and puts you in a terrible mood. The solution is an 11-piece tactical brush battalion packing rock-hard bristles engineered specifically to destroy grime in your home's tightest joints. This kit comes armed with L-shaped brushes to reach the bottom of your blender, heavy-duty wire bristles to tear through burnt stove grease, and even a sharp scraper that peels away dried-on gunk in a single swipe. It is the ultimate squad to make your tile grout lines white again without wearing out your hands. You can conquer every single blind spot in your house for $7.99. Hanging half your body out of a high-rise apartment window just to wipe down the outside glass is an extreme sport that nobody should be playing. The solution is an intelligent robot that locks onto your window with a brutal suction force and does all the heavy lifting while you just chill on the couch. This device features dual automatic mist nozzles that spray a micro cloud of cleaner to break down stubborn spots, while it glides in perfect geometric paths controlled right from your smartphone. Plus, if the power suddenly cuts out, an internal backup battery keeps it safely glued to the pane for 20 minutes while screaming an alarm so you can pull it inside safely. You can grab this futuristic glass cleaning drone for $129.99. Stretching on your tiptoes while balancing on a shaky chair to clean ceiling fan blades only to have a cloud of dust crash straight into your face is an awful experience. The solution is an intelligent duster sporting a 3-foot telescopic handle that locks down debris using a 360-degree electrostatic absorption system. Its fluffy microfiber head acts like a magnet that traps and binds dust, fuzz, and hair instead of launching them into the air, letting you clear blinds, picture frames, and high shelves without scratching a thing or triggering a sneezing fit. The package includes 30 disposable refills, so you can just toss them out when they get completely gray. You can clear the air in your home forever for $23.98. Wiping down your windows with old newspapers or rags just leaves ugly streaks and wastes your afternoon. The ultimate solution is a cordless electric window vacuum that sucks up the dirty water right off the glass before it can drip onto your floors. It packs a heavy suction system built into an extra-wide rubber blade that leaves your mirrors, shower doors, and windows bone dry and crystal clear in a single pass. All the grime gets trapped in a transparent tank, while the internal battery lets you move around freely to tackle your car windshield without dealing with tangled cords. You can banish those annoying foggy smudge marks forever for $59.98. Flicking a traditional duster around just sends dust particles flying into the air, straight into your nose, only to settle right back onto your furniture. The solution is a high-density sponge block that traps, encapsulates, and locks in every single particle of dirt, hair, and fuzz with one quick swipe. Its smart design comes packed with deep built-in grooves that swallow grime from blinds, vents, and window tracks without spreading a single speck around. When you're done, you just rinse it under the tap to watch the gunk wash away down the drain, making it instantly ready to reuse 1,000 times over with zero chemicals. You can snap up this ultimate sneeze-free cleaning magnet for $9.99. Bending over every 2 minutes to catch dirt with a tiny dustpan while ending up with a sore back and a broom choked with hair is incredibly frustrating. The solution is a vertical sweeping duo featuring an extended 52-inch handle that lets you clear the entire floor while standing completely upright. The secret lies in its clever dustpan, which packs a built-in row of comb teeth that clean the bristles for you, stripping away dust bunnies and pet hair in a single tug without your hands ever touching the mess. Plus, the pan locks open so you can dump the debris into the trash without spilling a single speck, and the whole rig snaps together to hide away in any tight corner. You can snag this effortless sweeping upgrade for $21.24. Stop using an old toothbrush to clean your window tracks. This 16-piece arsenal includes metal bristle brushes, scrapers, and mini sponges specifically engineered to destroy dirt in your home's most unreachable corners. It is the absolute nightmare of sink grease and blind dust, letting you clear impossible gaps in seconds without ruining your nails. It's basically like sending a special forces team to clean the darkest secrets hiding in your kitchen. You can grab the entire kit for right around $6. Ending up with shaky, exhausted arms after rubbing shower tiles with all your might is one of the absolute worst parts of home chores. The solution is an award-winning power scrubber that eats through deep-seated grime using a high-torque rotary system that refuses to stall. It comes locked and loaded with 12 magnetic heads you can swap in a split second to clear everything from bathroom corners to dirty car rims, featuring adjustable speeds depending on how delicate the surface is. Its long-lasting battery grants you hours of relentless runtime, and the entire body is so intensely waterproof that you can submerge it completely underwater without a single worry. You can secure this deep cleaning beast for $31.99. Scrubbing the scummy corners of your bathtub with a regular rag forces you into awkward yoga poses and leaves your knees absolutely thrashed. The solution is a 52-inch cleaning rod that lets you scrub the entire shower while standing completely upright like you're sweeping the kitchen floor. This tool features a pivot head that locks solidly into 3 different angles so the brush doesn't wiggle around while you apply pressure, and it comes packed with 3 swappable textures: stiff bristles for grout, a scrub sponge for soap scum, and a microfiber pad for glass. It is the ultimate shortcut to a sparkling bathroom without bowing down to the grime. You can claim this back-saving setup for $12.99. Leaving a dirty toilet brush and a plunger rolling around separately on your bathroom floor is a visual nightmare and a total breeding ground for bacteria. The solution is a hidden striped command center that fuses both tools into a single ultra-sleek, compact dock that saves your floor space. On one side, you get an indestructible bristle brush built to scrub away nasty rings, and on the other, a heavy-duty plunger with an extra long handle to clear disastrous blockages without risking any nasty toilet water splashing onto your hands. It is the ultimate tactical duo to keep your porcelain throne flawless without ruining your bathroom's vibe. You can lock down this emergency bathroom kit for $12.30. Risking your life on a shaky ladder just to wipe second-story windows or clear high-ceiling cobwebs is a thing of the past. The solution is a 20-foot telescopic pole that pumps water and soap directly up to the sky through its own internal feed system. This clever rig combines scratch-free soft bristles that protect your solar panels, a built-in detergent dispenser, and a professional squeegee to leave exterior glass spotless while you stay safely on the ground. It is the ultimate weapon for washing siding, clearing out gutters, and erasing dust buildup without ever lifting your feet off the grass. You can grab this high-reach safety shield for your home maintenance for $129.00. Ruining your spine trying to scrub away the hardened soap scum stuck to your shower tiles is a terrible deal. This articulating electric scrubber is the ultimate solution because its extendable handle bends into 5 different angles to reach the highest ceilings and deepest corners without making you bend down once. Packing a brutal torque driven by its heavy-duty spin technology, it instantly obliterates mineral deposits and stubborn stains using its 8 specialized interchangeable heads. Its body is fully waterproof, features a smart battery display, and lets you change speeds directly from the handle so you never interrupt the fun. Forget forever about back pain and scrubbing on your knees as if you were serving a lifetime sentence. You can grab this powerful cleaning beast for around $79.99.